SIMOPS are described as the potential clash of multiple activities in a single system or at the same location to be carried out simultaneously. If they are managed properly and they are executed as per the work permit, then there can be there we wouldn't have undesirable results in. An overlooked SIMOPS can result in a LTI, probably a fatality apart from the asset damage and plant trips. These are the workshop objectives. Identify the systematical assess the hazard associated with the simultaneous operations to determine the compatibility or otherwise of two or more high risk activities being conducted simultaneously and develop a SIMOPS matrix. I think that is what is we require from Bureau Veritas. This is the how the SIMOPS study is the process. First, we have to identify all the construction and operation activities that may be undertaken at the same location at the same time. Populate the SIMOPS matrix with a list of possible construction and operation